A very important part of your research process should be finding new exciting stock ideas. This is why you can use our collections. With collections, you can find new stock ideas based on a variety of categories, such as our factor rankings, different countries, sectors, or different themes. And as you can see here, there are many different collections for you to play around. Let's start with top quality collection. Once you click into that, you'll see that these are a list of companies ranked by their quality factor from the top to the bottom. And specifically here we have a filter called market cap, and we choose to show you the companies with more than $200 billion of market capitalization, which we call mega cap. And within this collection, you can actually play around to different filters, selecting some, deselecting some. For example, through this filter icon on the upper right, here are the option list. If you want to just show the companies listed in the UK and the US, you can select that. And if you want to show all the companies with all market capitalizations, and there you go, this is your list. So in this new created collection by yourself, what you can see here is all the companies listed in the UK and the US, sorted by their quality rank from number 1 to the bottom, and this is your new list. What you will find is some of the rankings for the same stock may have changed from the previous one, and that is because the size of the universe has changed. Let's now go into sustainability collection. Here we display you all the stocks with the theme of sustainability, that is to do something good for the society, for our environment, and for humanity. And how we display the list is by the average rank of their quality, value, momentum, ESG, and dividend strength. And here, the other thing you can do is to select something into a watch list, which is a handy way to manage your watch list from this view. So here you go, there are many different kinds of collections for you to play around, both pre-made by us, as well as that you can create something on your own, which we'll talk about in the next clip.